The Institute for New Media Studies at Fort Hays State University is home to the most exciting research lab on campus. We are a transdisciplinary program, leveraging advanced technologies and methods. We investigate the intersection of culture, education, and technology through a lens of disruption and convergence. Our faculty and students study in a range of areas including virtual reality, augmented reality, artificial intelligence, video games, television and multimedia production, web and mobile applications, computer vision, lasers, 3D printing, and data literacy. The work we do isn't just creative, it's also practical. Some of our goals include providing students and faculty the resources to develop nationally competitive research, promoting entrepreneurship across Kansas, profiting from intellectual properties and the economy of ideas, and procuring advanced research opportunities through external funding. Guiding our work is the 80-20 rule. We want to deliver projects that are 80% as good as industry, for just 20% of the cost. Students jump years ahead in their career and benefit from scholarly, business, and personal growth opportunities not afforded to other students, such as travel, publication, and training. Research assistants graduating from our lab have all become successful professionals, including web and application developers, university faculty, information systems controllers, and business-to-business salespeople. Dr. Gordon Carlson directs the Institute for New Media Studies, drawing from nearly 2 decades of experience working with electronic visualization and cutting-edge convergent media concepts. A fully funded institute brings our students flexibility, increased exposure, hands-on experience, more resources, and collaboration between other departments on campus. We have won hundreds of thousands of dollars in grant funding, are applying for millions more, and have published our work nationally and internationally. Our students and faculty have won multiple awards at conferences, been invited speakers at FHSU and partner groups, executed nationally recognized research, and traveled around the country to present the work. We have partnered with nearly every department and administrative unit on campus. Contributing to the Institute is a unique opportunity. You will directly impact students' learning opportunities and ability to afford graduate studies. At the same time, you will enhance the university's research capabilities and international reputation, as well as the connection between the campus and business community. Every dollar of your gift will be directly used by students in the form of scholarships, cutting-edge equipment, our new virtual reality lab, and professional experiences to advance their careers and lives. Most importantly, we never require a student to pay for any of the resources in our institute, because cost should never be a barrier to learning in Tiger Nation.
We are where you come to start a business.
We are where you come to invent the next big thing.
We are where you come to be the first in your family to do research as a college student.
We are the Institute for New Media Studies.